A body travels 102.5 meters in nth second, 115.0 meters in n plus 2 second. The acceleration is. In given question, we know the distance travelled by the body in nth second and also distance travelled by the body in n plus 2th second. By using this, we have to find out the acceleration. We know equations of motion. S is equals to ut plus half at square, and also Sn is equals to u plus a into n minus half. What is the difference between these two equations? Whenever we know the total time, the distance travelled by the body in the given time, this time t is a total time. Then take this equation s equals to ut plus half at square. But Sn is a distance travelled by the body in the particular instant of time only. Here in particular time, nth second and n plus 2 second. So take the equation, Snth equation, not s equals to ut plus half at square. Take this equation. So first of all, write the formula. So initially distance travelled in nth second, 102.5 is equals to u plus a into n minus half. Expand this equation. U plus a into n, an minus a into half, a by 2. This is 102.5. Take equation 1. Now distance in n plus 2 second, 115.0 is equals to u plus a into, in place of n plus 2 here, minus half, u plus a into n, an, 2 minus half becomes to 3 by 2. So plus 3 by 2 a. Simplify these two equations to find out acceleration. Do one thing, equation 2 minus equation 1. 115.0 equals to u plus an plus 3 by 2 a. 102.5 is equals to u plus an minus a by 2. This sign becomes to minus, minus, minus. Here minus is there, so take plus. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 0, 1, 12.5. Plus u minus u get cancelled, plus an minus an also cancelled. Plus 3 by 2 a plus a by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into a. Denominators the same. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 2 is equals to 2. 2a here 12.5. From this a is equals to 12.5 by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s 4, 2 5s 10. So acceleration is equals to 6.25 meter per second square. So the acceleration is 6.25 meter per second square.